Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Do you hate Google? Do you want your Android phone to not have Google? You may be wondering why this is here, why this terminal here, and why is Ultramarine here instead of OpenMandriva on my Mastodon. Well, it is because I needed a distro with Wayland, and so I have this phone, the Xiaomi phone, Redmi Note 10 5G, has a lot of Google stuff. Ugh. We're just gonna let it down. We're gonna install a custom ROM. Now, which custom ROM have I chosen? It is AlphaDroid. Yes, the custom ROM I've chosen is AlphaDroid, the vanilla version. Now, for those who don't know what a custom ROM is, a custom ROM is basically a alternative custom version of Android, in which it's possible that they could add features and do basically more things than the custom ROM, than the original custom ROM. And so today, this will receive an upgrade, and I'll be installing AlphaDroid. So what we're gonna do is first verify the device's existence by typing ADB devices. As you can see here, it detects the phone. And so right now I also have the files here, the boot image and the ROM folder. So let's get this guy to the fast boot. Well, some may wonder, why am I doing this video? The reason is, one, I don't want to only do videos about LabRat. Number two, the Nyarch video, the Nyarch gaming video couldn't happen because the games, for some reason, didn't even open. I put them on the short. And lastly, I got a new phone already, which is the Google Pixel 7 Pro debloated. So right now, we're gonna type in this command, adb reboot bootloader, and you'll see this going black. It's rebooting. There you go. Here's the fast boot screen. You can see here the rabbit and the Android robot right there. Now, what we're gonna do is we're gonna flash the boot image file, adb flash boot. We could just drag it here and adb. Oh, wait a minute, I'm a little stupid. Fast boot. There you go. If you want this, you can take it as a tutorial, but make sure your device is supported. As you can see here, I'm not sure if you can see it. It says along the lines USB transmission OK. Now we're gonna reboot to the recovery by just typing fast boot reboot recovery. So it's gonna go black again. Press enter. Vibrate a little. Here's the Redmi. Here we go, AlphaDroid. This is the recovery screen. Now what we're gonna do is we're gonna have to let the phone take over by clicking the apply update. Apply from ADB. Let's ADB sideload. Now send the packages you want to apply to the device with ADB sideload and the file name. ADB sideload vanilla, because right now I'm looking for de-googling, so we're just gonna put the de-googled AlphaDroid in there. ADB sideload, and it's sending it. It might take a little while, so I'm gonna do a little time skip until this thing is sideloaded, and I'll be right back. Alright guys, so here's the thing. AlphaDroid didn't really work, so I'm moving on to another Android custom ROM that I found on SourceForge, known as BananaDroid. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna flash this file, BananaDroid, in the phone. So we're gonna click the apply update. If we can see here, it's a bright yellow, apply from ADB. We are gonna do the ADB sideload, and we'll say right here, now send the package you want to apply with the ADB sideload. And so we go here and type ADB sideload and this BananaDroid. I'm gonna press enter. And I'm gonna be doing a little time skip. Let's just hope this works and doesn't boot loop like AlphaDroid. It seems to be going a little faster than AlphaDroid, but anyways, a little time skip. This time it works. Install completed with state to 0. So we're gonna factory reset, format it, and reboot it. There it is, ready. Will it work? There's the boot animation. It's the BananaDroid. Got a banana Android. Okay, will take a while though. Oh, there it is. BananaDroid. Please don't reboot. Hey! Wow! We got it. Welcome to BananaDroid. We just click start. Language. We got some English, United States. Why not? SIM card missing. Don't need. It's my secondary phone. Internet. Well, I think I will need to, censor this. We're back from the Wi-Fi, and now the time zone. I'll choose Bucharest. No Bucharest? Okay. Okay, then. Is it... Okay. I don't know what I'm doing. I'll just pick Belgrade and click next. Allow apps that ask for your permission. No. Face setup. Skip. I'm not doing a face reveal. Protect the device for require PIN. Skip. Don't need that. Restore apps and data. If you have a backup from your last BananaDroid phone, you can store here. Skip. Navigation. We're fine with the 3-button navigation. We can click next. BananaDroid. Start. And here it is. BananaDroid. We have a few apps here, such as Chromium. I don't know why does it say Chrome. This is Chromium. So we got Chromium. This is really nice. The Google Assistant also doesn't work because it's not the Google version. we can do a little search like, let's say, Android. I don't know what's going on when the phone blurs all of a sudden. In a minute. I think this works. I don't know why it's going blurry all of a sudden. Yeah, I just told angst for no reason. I don't know why. I don't even know what is angst.com. But here we got DuckDuckGo as the default search engine. We got settings. Let's see what we have. Let's see what feature we got. We got banana gear. Status bar. Okay, let's see. Let's explore this OS. Status bar logos. It's our usual status logos on the bar here. Auto rotate screen. We got them. Headset. In case we want you know. Connect a headphone jack. Okay, let's see the logo. Display custom logo at the left to right of the status bar. And as you can see here, we got the BananaDroid logo. Logo style BananaDroid. We got a lot of logos. You could put it like Air Jordan. Okay, we got Air Jordan for the sneaker lovers. We got the Apple for people who miss iOS. We can also get Windows. We got Windows 10 here. And we also got Ubuntu, our favorite Snap lover. And so much more. This one, I'm just gonna put to fit with the theme, BananaDroid. We're just gonna put the BananaDroid to fit with the theme. It was a pretty nice touch. I don't see it with like a ROM like Lineage OS or EOS. Though I like these ROMs. It's pretty interesting. So we have 4G icon, signal icons that up. And this is just a status bar. Let's see what else. We got the quick settings. Let's check what's this. Battery percentage next to the icon. Right. Don't see anything. Is this okay? Whatever. We got our buttons and navigations. Wow, pixel animation for 3-button navigation bar. No need so. Let's close Chromium. Lock screen customization. Lock screen charging. Height status bar. Yeah, sure, why not? Okay. We can change the clock font style. Ooh. This doesn't look so bad. Let's just change to this one. Reminds me of Crossy Road for a bit, like that. The one mobile game, Crossy Road. Let's close it. Oh, this doesn't look so bad. I like this custom ROM. Okay, we're going to check this board. We got ambient display, always on while charging, show AOG, custom color, default. Let's keep it like that. And just about a lock screen. Ambient display. Yeah, you gotta click that. Themes. Life is colorful. Don't be bored. Okay, we got the settings dashboard style. Gotta restart the settings app. Okay. Nothing really here. About phone header. Settings dashboard. There's nothing much with this. We can select some. Nice. We can select the icon pack, the font style. We have multiple font. Oh my god. No way. We got a lots of font styles. You could put Comic Sans, FIFA 2018, the World Cup, Google Sans, so like it look like Google, Harmony OS Sans, pretty nice. Nothing dot, makes it look like Nothing OS. Mi Sans, like Xiaomi, like the phone. We got a lot. Samsung's, we got Apple's, Ubuntu's font style. Wow, there are a lot of nice fonts. Wow. I'm gonna keep the Apple one. It looks clean. Because it looks clean. Now, let's check out the icon pack. Let's see what icons we get. Okay, we got a few icons you can choose. We got the Acheris. I'm not sure if I pronounced it right. Circular, filled, Kai OS probably. Oxygen OS. Probably inspiration from Oxygen OS. We got Outline, Pavlova UI. Okay. Rounded, Sam and Victor. Now I think this is for the status bar. Signal icon sign. We got a lot of icons. We got Windows. We got ROG. We got Banana. Let's change it to Banana because BananaDroid. Okay. Little Wi-Fi change. No. Okay. Icon shape. We got some icons. This looks like Linux Mint. This looks like FreeBSD. Okay, we're gonna do. Let's do the FreeBSD. Let's do Meow because it looks like FreeBSD. Okay, and the Wi-Fi icon sign. We got. Oh my god, we got the Snoop Dogg. Okay, we got navigation bar. Oh, I don't see that on a lot of phones. We got Android. Ooh, nice. We got Asus. Moto. This looks nice. I'm just gonna keep the Android one. Because it looks cool. Miscellaneous. Display cutout. Full screen apps. Smart pixels. Save battery by shutting off. Okay, this is not bad. Okay, unlock higher FPS games. Sure. Spoofing all apps. Display charging. There's Google services, but we don't have Google services. And about us. Why so serious? Am I stupid? Okay, so here we got BananaDroid is an ordinary Android custom ROM and absolutely not better than the others. We try to do what we like and make a good experience to users. Please don't hesitate to report any issue on your phone to our Telegram group. We can't promise to solve your issue, but we will try to figure it out. Wow. This is actually pretty nice. They're not comparing to like usually most other phones and stuff saying, yeah, we're revolutionary, we're better than others, when usually they just add pro to the name and triple the price. I'm looking at you, Apple, and I'm not sure why did I bring Apple to this, because Apple's a company, Android is an OS. We got the contributors, maintainers. It's everyone. Everyone's here. Good work to you all. Now, what else will do? Oh, no! This looks so nice! I'm impressed. I'm actually impressed. Look at this BananaDroid. I never expected this. Wow. I like this OS. And there was a free BSD icons. This looks so nice. We got the game space. It's meant to look like a pixel, but more customized. And this is like basically an advantage with these custom ROMs. Because these custom ROMs have an advantage, more advantages and more features than the stock ROM. I promise, if you got a little skill, please install a custom ROM on your Android if you have one. It won't hurt. Or at least Linux if it's supported. But I recommend more custom ROM. Linux Mobile, not too mainstream yet. I'm gonna click the wallpaper and style. Let's see what wallpapers are there. You got obviously the default one. We got wallpapers from Unsplash. As I can see here, it's, I don't know, it looks like Doraemon. And a few Spider-Man wallpapers. Transformers. Whatever this guy is. And Banana Collection. We got some nice BananaDroid wallpapers. I think this looks a little AI generated. Not sure. These wallpapers do look a little AI generated. Yeah, we got a nice BananaDroid. More BananaDroid. It's a BananaDroid. Let's set this one. And let's home unlock screens. And that's it. This is BananaDroid. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I really loved this Android custom ROM. Oops, I closed it. I really like this Android custom ROM. It's filled with like customization. I would never actually seen this much customization in the previous ROM this thing had, which was Pixel Experience. But this is more customization than the Google Pixel, the current phone I have. So what I have to say about BananaDroid, 10 out of 10. It is a little shameful that I couldn't get AlphaDroid because of the boot looping thing problem. But I'm not disappointed that I got a pretty good custom ROM. Now, that's all for this video. Goodbye.